Hello everybody, this is DeathCap K9 here, and today I have a special video, and it's a perfect time because I have my GoPro, which is what I'm using right now. I'm using a point of view type thing, and we have a box here, and today I'm going to be doing an unboxing. I'm not going to say what. You can probably see from the title, actually. I'm probably going to put it in the title. So if you read the title, then you know exactly why we're here, and you probably know what this is. But in honor of having a new GoPro and a lot of different cool stuff, then that is what this video is going to be, guys. So I'm just kind of checking my footage on my phone right here. There we go. Alright, so let's do this. I've got this for cutting tape, so you'll be able to see firsthand what it looks like for me when I'm unboxing this. So that's pretty cool. So we're gonna get the sides. Okay. I'm gonna flip it over. Alright. We got this from Zoomies. Sorry guys, I'm bad at unboxing. I do not get packages that often. I'm doing this with... Alright, let's see. Ooh, okay, let's see here. This flap is this flap open? No? Okay, well. Oh. Yeah, I'm not the best at this, guys. But let's see here. I might want to time-lapse this because I'm not good at unboxing. Oh, here we go, here we go, here we go. And okay, now guys, it's the moment of truth. Look at this. Oh man. You see it kinda in there? Ooh, guys, this is gonna be so cool. Alright, here we go. Oh, yes, guys, look at this. An Element Zoomies skateboard. Trying to give y'all. Oh, guys. Look at this. Let's see here. Top, we didn't get any grip tape. Wait, did we? Oh, wait, we're not done yet. We did. Here we go. Look, we just got some classic black grip tape. Oh, look at this. So that's gonna go on there like that. We might have to cut it a bit. Oh, isn't that so cool, guys? Look at this. Oh, man. Let's see here. I'm gonna undo the plastic. Whoa, guys. This wood is really high quality. It's smooth and sturdy. Look at this. It's a wolf. Nick Garcia. I'm really satisfied with this. I love this skateboard. We don't have trucks or anything yet. Look at this. We're gonna have the grip tape. We're gonna put that on there. We've got a little paper about the order. Let's make sure there's nothing else in here. Nope, we're all good. I'm just gonna put that aside. But okay, so yep, that's pretty much the video. Got a new deck, and now that I got a new GoPro, you know what that means. I'm gonna be doing a lot of videos once I get this skateboard put together, and I'm gonna be doing point of view things and just a lot of things like that, maybe some tricks once I get the hang of it. It might take a while because I am new at skateboarding. I haven't even really been on one yet, but it is definitely going to be a new thing. So thank you guys so much for tuning in and checking this out. This is really awesome. I bought this with my own money. So yeah, that's pretty much the video. And thank you so much guys for tuning in, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace!